here.
All right. Can you see? Is it like here or here? How big?
Pretty much. Yeah, I can see what you're doing.
Okay. So we're gonna take off this little cover, and I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna start with a impact side. Oh, didn't need it. There wasn't a horn thing in here, but I did find, well, it must be in the other stuff, but anyway, I found the horn piece. But so these screws are in these plastic covered pieces to keep it from grounding out. Set that over there. Here's the horn piece. That might be a little bit bigger than what I got. I don't think I can use this, but I might be able to. I think the wheels been off before. There it goes. Not supposed to use that. I think this is the right one. It's the one that they had out. Yep, it is. So we're just gonna see if I can. Wrong one. This one might be it. There we go. We're just setting up the steering wheel puller here. I only need it in a little bit. There we go. Just 9/16. We'll just use this again. There it goes. Once it goes, it comes right off, but getting it to there. Now the splines look okay, so that's good. Someone tweaked it once already. Little clips in there. Well, you know what I didn't grab was the snap ring pliers. I don't recall seeing this on there, but I think it's a matter of lifting it up. Why are all my screwdrivers always missing? Out of my bag.
You're the only one that goes in there.
No. I had a small screwdriver, flathead. Now it's gone somewhere. Who knows where? But just got to get over that like that. There we go. Just kind of put this in order. We'll see if this this tool I found in here works.
Oh yeah, that's the actual. What is it?
It's the piece that pushes down on this to get that ring. There's a small snap ring. Well, not really a snap ring. It's a compressed ring down in here. And what it is this thing pushes on this so you can get it out. So see how far this has to go down, or at least till there. If I tighten this down, that's going to push that down, yeah.
Yeah, it presses on that little rusty thing right there.
Wrong one. Sort of wrong one. It just pushes this down so this ring gets exposed down there. Once I get it out, I'll show you what it looks like. There's that. Got a piece of it up here. Now I'm getting the rest of it out of there. All right. Back this off. And it relieves the tension. I think I've got it high enough to get it all the way on.
Looks like it. It's coming up quite a bit.
I just need to make sure these people don't need me back at the service.
Oh, are you technically working today?
What do you want? Oh, hang on. The back with clear labels. All right. So this ring just comes up off there. Looks like I got another little hurdle here. It's got a little divide in it. It's not really a snap ring, it's more of a compression ring.
Does that mean it's broken now? We have to get a new one?
Nope, that's good.
Okay.
That works just fine. And we got this, and it's important to put this back in the same spot. It can't go anywhere else. It only fits on the one way with the horn button. Whatever the hell that is. I don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the horn.
Does it have a battery in it? The car?
It does, but it's not working.
Oh. Yeah, it's probably old. Because if it's been dead since 2018, that means that battery is well past drained. Then again, it was drivable in 2018. We don't know when it stopped being road certified.
Gotta turn that. Find the Phillips. Crusty dash.
Yeah, it is. We're definitely gonna have to get a new dash.
Yeah.
But it's pretty small. It should be, and there's only like a couple screws holding it in.
Yeah, that's what I like about these trucks is how simple stuff is. So this one held down, the one with the flare held down the other one there. And I should be able to get this thing out of here. Oh, there's another one right there. Makes it nice as a magnetic screwdriver.
If it doesn't fall on you.
Yeah, if it doesn't fall out.
Because we don't even have a glove box.
We do. It's inside. So this thing's real dodgy.
Yeah, screw down there holding you.
That's the emergency flashers. Emergency flashers that are broken. Let's see if I can pull that back out. No. Deal with that later. There's a cable connected to it. Right there. But what I can do is get to the lock cylinder now. That's really interesting how this is put together in there. It's got a little tiny double thing to touch the turn signals. Well, this one's got a lot more crap on it. All right, so this one, this lock cylinder, is held in by looks like a T Super Micro. It's probably smaller than this. It is. So it's like super tiny.
Do you have anything to do it?
I don't have one right here, but I do in the barn.